You go in that old fire, and now you know what you say. Can you imagine that? You, up, you, Yo guys, what's good guys? What's good? Literally what's good? Are you chilling guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance with you and dance with you guys. So literally I just noticed that basically this period things are trending are movie sounds. Like movie sound. Like this dance I sent by Shakira. Shakira that sang this song, what is Zootopia? I don't know if you guys have heard of Zootopia. Zootopia. Part 2. I just sang this song and it's trending. It's literally trending. Trending everywhere guys. So in case you want to dance Zootopia, Shakira Dance, follow me guys, let's learn dance together. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to your friends and comment if you have watched Zootopia or not. Let me know. I watched part 1, I watched part 2. Drop in the comment section. And let's dive right into the video. Now the first step in this Asuda is you make is I don't know the lyrics so don't mind me. So it's face the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can keep the music playing. Come on, girl, I know. 5. I sing guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, girl, I know. 5. So do it a lot. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Come on, girl, I know. 5. I just want low. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, girl, I know. 5. You put the left up and that's it. Come on, girl, I know. 5. Pause. Oh, we need copyright. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, girl, I know. 5. 1, 2. It's an easy down, guys. It's an easy down. Don't get me wrong. Don't be scared. Just move your waist. Just 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 1 to the side, 2 to the second side, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, go. 5, 6, 7, go. Hope you are following me, guys. Make sure you are following me. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, and and do show the left leg, show the right leg. I sing guys. 5, 6, 7, go. Come on, and 1, 2, jump. 1, 2. I sing guys. Once you jump, do 1, 2. From the start, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep the music playing. Come on, and gonna tell me that. What you do? 1, 2. What you do? 1, 2. Do. Move. 3 times. From the start, 5, 6, 7, go. You can keep the music playing. Come on, can I look? You gotta keep on changing. Yeah, follow me, guys. Remember, if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe for me. Hope you're getting the dance. In case you're not getting it, just rewind the video back. Rehearse that skill. This is the way that's out for you. Rehearse it again. This is the jump. You do 1, 2. And that's for you. Just rehearse it and keep on learning, guys. You get it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the music playing. Come on, look. But after you move, so put your hands on your back like this. Flap it like. This is your foul. Your foul. Your foul. You do. I sing. The flag from this side to this side. Once you're done with that step, next you need to do the hand movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow me, guys. Go. 1, 2. When we start, 5, 6. When we start, like literally I'm starting. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep the music playing. Come on, go. You know, two times, guys. After you do this, the foul style. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just twice. Remember, just once I've done it twice, you do it twice, then you wait for the hop. Wait for the hop. Let's go and start in one more time. We start 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep the music playing. Don't mind me, guys. Just having fun. That's the sweet. That's what I'm dancing. Let's go and start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can keep the music playing. What's our brother say? Next step, this will do. It's your bouncing to your right. This is your left leg. Let me that's what this leg and you add the nose to it. Just from the start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. You keep the music playing. Come on, baby. You can keep the music. Let's do from the start, guys. You can keep the music playing. Come on, you 5, 6, 7. Come on, the next step is up. So, I'm going to you guys can do this dance. So it's up. And then add this one. Let me start, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the music playing. That's Zootopia, guys, for this trending song by Shakira. If you like that Zootopia, kindly subscribe down below for me. Like this video, share to your friends and family. Don't forget to watch these videos over here. And in case you do that Zootopia for me, make sure you tag Teoluckzboom. Let me see your video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.